Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. Wow, we've had a beat up today, but I've got some breaking news just been released on Twitter for Robinhood. We're now entering the Robinhood Wallets alpha stage. We will be showing you and discussing that very shortly. So if you've just joined us, we got breaking news here. Robinhood's wallets are now moving into the alpha stage. What does that mean? Well, we'll share it with you live here on the show. So check it out. Give us a subscribe and ring the bell. We are live here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. There is my live portfolio from Robinhood. That's my real money live on the screen there. If it's your very first time here, give us a thumbs up. That would be absolutely fantastic. Give us a thumbs up. There it is. Let's bring it back in again. This is a live show right now, as we are live every morning and every evening. So it's welcome to everybody, and we hope you enjoy the show. Let's get straight into it. We've had a beat up today. Rivian has been dropping enormously, and that's been great for me. I hope it's been great for you. I bought on the way up, sold on the way down, and now buying all these dips. We're getting much more near a realistic price. Okay, so where are we now? We're starting to pick up now. It's been an awful day. At one point, I was as low as 4%, but we're now at 2.5%, so we've gained a 1.5% in the last few minutes. So we're starting to see a recovery. It's been an awful day, absolutely awful. And let's welcome everybody in. Our first guest was Leah. She was the first person in. There she goes. Leah Vince, afternoon, everybody. There we go. And Bill is here as well. Grabs his comfy chair in the corner of the room and waits for the bell. Okay, we got just 28 minutes to go before the bell. Welcome, everybody. Slicky Ballas here, Queen Yourself Braiding as well. You started to chat just before the show started, so thank you very much indeed. Share your chats again and we'll get you up on the screen. Okay. Smash the like button if you're here and supporting the show. Subscribe and ring the bell if you're watching as well. Great stuff. All right. Okay. So, what do you think, everybody? Tesla is now recovering. We've had all kinds of drops today. The big story of the day, of course, is Rivian from these huge highs. And been buying all the way down, Don't forget, this is still very Expensive, but now you might feel, okay, I want to get in it. What the hell? Because we can recover from this position. So I've been buying. I've now got 14 shares of it. I bought a couple more off air. Virgin Galactic is starting to improve. GGPI starting to improve. Lucid is starting to improve. This is good. Robinhood, we're right down at the minute, 8% down, and we've got the wallets just been announced some moments ago. So let me go over to the Twitter feed that I just saw. This is the breaking news just some moments ago. Christian Hall Brown from Robinhood. As you know, crypto wallets is the #1 request from our customers. Building wallets at this scale requires lots of safety and user experience considerations to protect and delight our customers. So we're now moving into what's called the alpha stage. They are some users are getting the opportunity to use the wallets to test them out, make sure it's all working fine, and then they're going to roll it out. But there you go, it's now on the move. So we should start to see some recovery, I hope, in the price of Robinhood, because we are down 8% now. I'm not going to buy any more of it. I've got too much invested in it already. Amazon's had an amazing day, up nearly 4%. Slicky is here. Corvette Driver. I think we have a new member to the show. Welcome, Corvette Driver. And there he is. Corvette Driver. Like it. If it's your very first time here, consider subscribing and ring the bell. We go live every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real. Everything is real money. This is my real position. Smash the like button. We've got 9 likes now, 9 watching. Let's get it going. This is a brand new channel. We've got such an amazing team. Look at this. B. Davis, Kumri 13 over from TikTok. Where do you see Bitcoin? My guests over there on TikTok, click the profile link here, click the icon and come into YouTube. I'm giving away some free money today. I've got $60 left to give away if anybody wants it. I'm giving away some free money. Corvette, nope, I have switched accounts. It is, no. Oh, it's Martin. I thought, when I saw Corvette driver, I thought maybe, okay, cool. I have switched accounts. It's Martin. Martin Redding. Hello, you're in disguise. B. Davis, Cymru13 was over there on TikTok. Welcome to all of you. And good evening from the UK, Julius Caesar. Martin Redding, that means we've got 2 accounts. Hey, you know what that means? He's a real fan. He's giving me extra watch time. As you know, we are pumping hard to get up to the 4,000 watch hours. So I will be able to earn at the beginning $1 a day here on YouTube. That's all it will be, but it will be for the first time. I've been doing this now for 4 months for nothing. 4 months for nothing, and soon I might earn $1 a day. I'm very excited, and we need to get to 4,000 watch hours. We are now at 3,200 with 800 hours to go. If everyone wants to really help me, when the show's finished, rewind the video and just leave it running. Just leave it running. Turn the volume down, but leave it running. Leave my videos running. Go on to like a playlist and of the day trader and let it run. I'd really appreciate it. I'm racing down the road to try to get 4,000 watch hours. So today, the big news is, there it is, the alpha wallets, as they call it. It's the sort of testing stage of the wallets is now out. They're starting to release people into it. And I actually might be a tester for it, and I'll show you what I mean if I bring up the there's a part of my app here where does it tell me? There's something here on here somewhere. It tells me about it. Let me have a look. Where is it? There's somewhere on here. It tells me where I am. Let's have a look. Somewhere on my app. I'm just in my app right now looking at it. There's somewhere on here. Crypto coin somewhere. I don't know where they've placed it. It's somewhere. It tells me where I am with where I am with the wallets. Crypto. I don't know where it's going to show me. They've moved it. No, they haven't moved it. It's just me can't find it. That's the truth. Oh, here it is. Here it is. I found it. Okay, here it is. This is what I want to show you. I am 4,086 on the list. So I'm really high up the list. There's like 12 million, is it 12 or 20 million, something like that, users of Robinhood, and I'm 4,000. So I'm right at the top, so I'll probably be one of the first to get to use it. I'm virtually at the very top of the list. I'm very proud of that, actually. It's not an achievement or anything. It's just kind of cool, right? I'm like virtually the first person to get a wallet, which is kind of cool for my channel. But anyway, there you go. So the wallet's now moving to the alpha stage, and people are getting the opportunity to test them out. So that's kind of cool. That's breaking news. That's just happened over there on Twitter. You can see it there. So hopefully this will affect the price of Robinhood. Right. Talking about the price, I did a video earlier promising to give people free money and hit the subscribe button. Thank you much indeed. Can I have the link to get some free money? Yes. So basically what we're doing is this. If you're in the United States of America only, first of all, and you want to get a free stock, someone the other day got $150 of Apple on the show. You saw that happen live. All right. Here's my referral. Okay, this is the first one. This is the first one. This is the Robinhood. If you set up an account with Robinhood, it costs you nothing. Just set it up and use my referral, and you'll get a free stock. I get a free stock, and I'll share with you what I've got. The other day, Fizzy, I think it was Fizzy, got a $150 of Apple. Right, where I'm giving you free money. Okay, I'm giving you free money in 2 ways because it's Christmas, right? It's coming up to the holidays. A lot of you asked about, would I set up an account that you can use in the UK? Yes, this you can use in the UK, and you can use it in Europe, and you can use it in America. If you want another brokerage and you want to get $10 from me, cash for free. Set up an eToro account there. Once you've set it up and funded it, so you've got another portfolio. This is what it looks like. This is all eToro. So I use eToro now and Robinhood. You will get $10 from me because they give me a little bit of money for getting a referral. So I thought I would share it with you. So I'm going to give you $10. There's $10. All right. Going back to Rivian in a minute. Keep our eye on the stock. And the last thing is we've now decided to go a little bit further. As you probably know for quite a while, I don't know if you know or don't know, but I've had a Amazon shop. So you can see all my products in the studio. But also, did you know that if you bookmark my Amazon store, here it is in the live chat. If you bookmark it and you use this as a way to get onto Amazon, it doesn't cost you anything. It's no hassle. It's no inconvenience whatsoever. It's just the way to get into Amazon. I earn a very small commission from stuff you buy on Amazon. Okay? Doesn't affect the price you pay. It's just a tiny little bit of money that I get. And I decided, for all my fans here, that I would give you back half the money I get. All right? I will send you via PayPal or via Apple Pay free money. So basically, you can't get money back off Amazon, but I will get it and split it with you and give it you back. How cool is that? This channel is about supporting each other. It's about making money. That's what this channel is. So if you now want to buy stuff on Amazon where you get money back, cash back from me, you can. You can use my referral to go onto Amazon and I will give you half of what I get. It costs you absolutely nothing. And this is how you'll come into Amazon. You'll come in amazon.com/shop/Martyn Lucas. You'll see my shop and you will see items that I buy. You'll see equipment I use. You see my shirts and jackets that I wear for the Martyn Lucas show. All this stuff, Christmas gifts, the lights I buy, all this Christmas jumpers, all the rest of it. You will see all of this stuff. But then when you're on Amazon, you can search for any product you want. You can search for any product you want just as you would normally. And because you've used my link, I get a small commission and I will split it with you. I will give you 50% of what I've got. So there you go. And that goes forever. And that is only for my fans who watch watch my YouTube channels. Anybody else has to be a member of these shows to get it. Okay? I'll earn commission from them if they do it, but I won't be giving them any money back. Only you watch this show because you'll come in and I will share on the screen. I will say, look, this is what I got. I got $6 for this product. I'm giving you 3. I will share it with you live on the show. So you'll see I'm not making it up. You'll see I'm not taking advantage. You'll see I'm giving you free money. So I'm now a cashback service for Amazon for you. All right? There you go. How cool is that? IGVN is the next GameStop. That's some breaking news. That's from Dion Fam. Thank you much indeed. Check that out if you want that. Hello, it's me. Baby Games. We've got another account now. You guys are just the best. You're really trying to help me get my watch hours up. I can't thank you enough. Finally, I'll be able to earn $1 a day. It's all a little bit at the beginning. Rivian starting to drop again now. Are we going to buy some more of this? I've been buying it on the way down. I thought you were going to Venmo the money when you said free money. Yes, I will do. I will send you the free money. I will send you, if you want Venmo, I'll send you Venmo. I'll give you $10 for eToro, and I will give you 50% of the commission I get off Amazon. If you want Venmo, that's fine. Whatever it is, I will give it to you, however it comes. Wait, so I have to pay? No, you don't have to pay anything to get $3, Baby Games. You don't have to pay anything, all right? It's a referral to eToro. It's a referral to set up a brokerage account, all right? You just set up the account like Robinhood. It's the way to invest on the stock market. You're just setting up a brokerage, and they give me some money for referring you, and I'm splitting it. I'm giving you $10. All right? I could just refer you and keep the money, but I'm giving you $10 for free. I take e-transfers. There you go. Help pull me out of the red. 45 years. Well, there you go. If you want the free money from Amazon and eToro, just set up an account and use my link. Okay, you just signed up. Well, that was quick. Well, once you've funded your account and it's all set up, once they tell me that someone has used my referral code and their account is up and running, I will give you $10. All right. This channel gives you free money. I'm like Santa Claus, aren't I? Right, Lucid now moving up slightly. Robinhood is still dropping back. Amazon is adding. I mean, one almighty day today. I've got $1,000 and I'm 4% up on it. What do you mean by funding my account? Well, you can't invest with no money, can you? Right? This is my real money I've got invested here in my Robinhood account. So if you are watching this show, I'm assuming you're an investor. You invest on the stock market. So you invest with your money. Okay? So you fund your account so you can invest and buy stocks and shares. And what I'm telling you is I'm going to give you $10 for setting your account up. All right? Okay. I've got some limit orders for Rivian at 115. Nice. Limit orders. What do you reckon? I mean, you know, it's been dropping all day. I've been buying the dips. I'm currently 10% down, but that's fine. I was, you know, the whole thing would be 40% down, right? Near enough now. So I see this as a great opportunity. There you go. This is my portfolio today. In the last hour, I'm up 0.84. On the day, let's have a look at it. On the day, still down, I reckon. Yeah, awful day. Down 2.74. In 10 minutes, I want to get everybody's score, and let's see where we did. This is the breaking news on Twitter. There you go. You can see it there. This is Christine Hall Brown from Robinhood, and they're bringing out the alpha wallets now. It's a kind of trial of the wallets. Very, very exciting. There we go. That's happening now. So all good. When is the closing bell? The closing bell is in 10 minutes time, as it is every day. At the same time, the bell doesn't change. It is the same time every day. So let's keep our eye on Rivian. We're going to try and pick up some more. I've now made some money today, despite all of this to spend. I've got $902. YouTubers keep skipping. Is it just me? YouTube keeps skipping. Is it just me? I'm looking at it. Everything seems to be fine, Balaser. I somehow made $3,500 from a $1,000 investment on my first week of trading stock market. Crazy. Duang Pan, congratulations to you. That's an awesome number. Congratulations. Well done indeed. There you go. I've shared that for everyone. Are you new to the show? I don't recognize you. Subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. That would be absolutely wonderful. Put what city and country you're from, and you can start making friends with the team of traders here. That would be absolutely great. I will sign up to eToro tomorrow again with your link this time. Great. Well, I've only got 5 left. I've only got $50 to give away. So it's first come, first serve. That would be absolutely great. Thank you ever so much, Jay. And then, of course, we'll also support you with it. I'll share my portfolio with you here. I've just started out with it. I've got $50 right now in Tesla. I'm going to buy Bitcoin. I'm going to buy some Apple. I'm going to buy some Microsoft. I'm going to buy some staples to put in this to share with you. And we'll see what we do together. So there you go. All right. Fantastic. So there we go. We're watching Rivian right now to see if we can get an even better deal. Tesla has been all over the place today, bouncing around. Amazon's had one almighty day. For Amazon, this is one of its best days ever. I'll tell you that because Amazon doesn't have days like this. It doesn't have days where it goes up 4%. It's such an expensive stock. 4% is a lot. You know, that's $42. 4%. You know, 3.5% is. So it's having a great time right now. So I've got 0.27 of a share of it. Sounds good to me. Harpoon Therapeutics, God, I'm so glad I didn't put my money back into this. It just keeps bouncing up and down all the time. Rolls-Royce up flat today, 1.86. We've got 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. Boeing is pretty flat now. It threatened to make some money, but it hasn't. Apple, again, an almighty day. Apple and Amazon had an absolutely fantastic day. Really, really great. And as you can see, Apple is doing very well today. Really, really well. So there you go. Sono Group, of course, Sev, almighty problems with Sev right now, of course. The company's probably fine, everything's okay, but it's a pre-IPO explosion again. Did you make your money? I didn't, and none of you on Robinhood did, because of the situation with Robinhood didn't allow us in. There was security issues, and no one could get in, so it was a great shame. So Robinhood cost me a bit of money there. I would have made it. Anyway, this is my position now with the wallets. As you can see, I'm number 4,086 on the list. I'm one of the very first in the whole of Robinhood to get it. There are millions of users, and I'm one of the first to get it, and I will be sharing it all with you. I'm very excited about that. The fact I'm one of the first, it's kind of cool, right? Martyn Redding, I took profits on EV Friday, and bought into Roblox Corporation. It's me, Baby Games, watching on 6 devices. Wow. Oh, absolutely great. 6 devices. You are the best. You are the best. You all know what I'm doing, right? I'm really putting the hours in to try to get to 4,000 watch hours, and I can't thank you enough, because if you're watching on all these extra devices, rewind it later on, watch it afterwards, leave it in the background, turn the volume down, my watch hours go up. I'm trying to get to 4,000 hours. I'm at 3,200. So 800 to go now. 800 hours. It's a lot, right? If we had 800 people watching for an hour, that's what it means. So, we get about 20 people a day watch the shows. So you can see it's probably, I'm hoping it's a week away. I'm hoping it's about 7 days, 7 more broadcasts, something like that. So I'm going to keep going. And then maybe I can earn $1 a day. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that money, invest that money into my portfolio. So there we go. Buying back into Lucid today. Martyn Redding is buying back into Lucid. One of our big investors. It's lovely to have Martyn Redding back on again. Martyn Redding is buying back into Lucid. Yeah, Lucid's now down 10% today. I'm up 33% on it, which is great. Lucid's strong now. Nice bit of money there in Lucid. Very, very good. And pump up the subscribers. Yes, indeed. Really, really great. I'm over the 1,000 subscribers you need to be monetized. We're now 1,740. But we need that 4,000 watch hours. Amazon's up 4% and still climbing. We're waiting for an opportunity to buy some more Rivian. In fact, it's 3% now. I only want another 2%. I'm going to hold back now for some bigger drops. I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to buy every time it goes down 10%. If it doesn't go down anymore, then I am where I am now, and I'll leave it in there to make some money from it. Also bought back into Tesla and Ford. Lucid was down 17%. That's right. Bought back into Tesla. Tesla's great. I'm up at 17% on Tesla now. I'm just letting that sit there. Lucid was down 17%. That's interesting. Lucid was down 17%. I'm up 17%. There we go. All right. Smash the like button if you just joined us. And click subscribe. And ring the bell. There we go. This is Martyn's Corvette, by the way. He's got a fancy Corvette. Oh, well, while I was off air, I received, is it either 1,000 subscribers and both? The Queen of Self-Braiding, it's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Okay? So we can help you with that, of course. The Queen of Self-Braiding, you're going to get subscribers from us. And as the channel grows, and as you comment below the videos, that's important, you will get more subscribers and more watch time by being here on the show. I have a limit of 5 shares of Tesla at 900. Oh, nice. Nice. Let's see if you get it. Let's see if you get it. We've got people over there on TikTok. Your opinion for December, bearish or bullish? I'm very, very bullish. If you'd like to actually see all my people over on TikTok right now, if you want this free money that I'm giving away, you have to be a member of my YouTube family, whether it's on the Martyn Lucas show or the Day Trader. Okay, so click the icon here, click the icon again on the profile and come into YouTube. All right, and then you can be part of that. All right, I wanted to share with you so you could see. This is my portfolio of eToro on the phone. So we're now covering these 2 apps now, eToro and Robinhood. So the opportunity there is for all of you to get another brokerage that will follow and support. You can have that in the US or Europe or the UK. Using my referral, I will give you $10 in cash. Because I get a little bit, so I will give some of it back to you. Rivian is just dropping back a little bit now. I'm looking for another opportunity to get into Rivian again. I'm in it now with 14 shares. Can you believe it? I'm down $181. But that's okay. If you remember, I made about is it 500-600 on the way, 800 on the way up. So now I'm basically down. So I'm basically like $600 up, and which is great considering it's dropped back. You see, that's the benefit of trading rather than just sitting there. That's the point. Okay. Virgin Galactic is not going to be any movement at all. Let's see if we've got any. If anyone can share with me any breaking news, I will bring it into the show. I have a limit. We've got this one for Martyn. Martyn's are going to buy 5 shares at 900. It's got a limit order at 900. Limit orders, for those who don't know, are orders you can place. Like I can show you. If I want to buy Virgin Galactic and I want to buy a share of Virgin. See, I put it in there, and I do a limit order here. So this is basically, I'm prepared to pay $1 for a share, okay? And you can see that then I can review that. Now, if it goes to, I'll just zoom in so you can see it clearly. If it goes to $1, it'll exercise. Now, of course, that's never going to happen. So I'll just delete that. But basically, you can set a limit order, what you're prepared to pay for a stock. And you need to allow a little bit. So because of the way the market makers work, if you set a limit order for 1 to buy at 1, it would probably have to go to 99 before it actually buys. So just put a little bit more than you're prepared to spend. So if you're prepared to spend $1 on a stock, okay, then call it $1 too or something like that, and then it will go at 1. That's the way it works. You need to allow a little bit of maneuver. Now, if you leave it at 1, it will still exercise, but it won't go until it hits like 98, 99. That's just how it works. Okay. And the purpose of that is so you can trade without being in front of a computer. You can just disappear and say, okay, I'm prepared to pay all these prices, and just disappear and sit on the beach. For me, I like doing this, so I sit here and do it manually. The bell goes in 1 minute. Okay, here we go. Get ready. Looks like people are already getting sick of Sev. Yeah, of course. Absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. It's a brand. It's a small company. It's got no revenue at all, hardly got anything going for it. The idea is great. I love it, of course. It's got potential. It could be something one day, but this was a classic pump and dump. A classic pump and dump, all right? I would have made money, and I know Balasur would have made money. We'd have both made money if Robinhood had let us in, because when I saw that pumping, I would have jumped in, because I knew it was going to go up. Right, here we go. Let's ring the bell. Let's ring the bell, and let's get over to Rivian on the day and watch it. Watch it. Ready? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. We're in the after hours now. Let's see what we can do in the after hours. Of course, the after hours is when the official bell has gone, the trading is finished, but there is, depending on where you are, what brokerage you are with, there is some more trading going on. But it's limited trading. It's a lot lower volume. That doesn't mean to say nothing happens. Last night, I think it was 20% Rivian dropped 20% after hours. So even though the market is technically closed, there's some trading going on, but the volume is a lot less. So when we go into the after hours, you need to set limit orders. During the day, you can just go buy, and it will just buy with the price, there it is. Sell, it will sell the price, there it is. If you want to trade now, in the after hours, you have to set a price you're prepared to pay. So if I wanted to buy Rivian right now at 122.73, okay, it's at 122.73 now. I just write in 123, and that just means I've set a limit order. You need to do that, and it will go at that price. It'll go at 122.73, unless of course the price moves up in that time. But you always need to set a limit price in the after hours. Same as the pre-market, not under 120, but we were close. Yep. The question of the day was, would Rivian hit 120? Well, I think it was something like 80% of you said yes. Well, we were very, very close, 120. So there we go. It's a very, very good, educated guess, if you want to call it a guess. I suppose you could say that. Can anyone spot, I want to see in the chat, can anyone spot anything at all? Look closely. Can anyone spot, I'll make it a little bit easier for you. Can anyone spot anything in the studio that's a bit Christmassy? My first Christmas item is now in the studio. Look very, very closely. Can you see it? On TikTok, you can't see it. You need to come into YouTube. Click the icon here, click the profile, and click into YouTube. Kumri13, thank you very, very much for tapping the screen. I can see you're tapping the screen with 2 fingers, and you're blowing up my TikTok channel. All right. Can anybody see what is Christmassy in the studio? The first Christmas thing in the studio. Look closely. Snowflakes on the roof. No. Can you see what's Christmassy in the studio? It's my first Christmas item. And of course, you know what that means. Christmas is coming. And it means we're going to be doing all sorts of Christmassy things. Giving money away, which we're already doing that part. So there you go. Fantastic. A candle. Well, there is a candle, but you are absolutely right. If you look on the right-hand side of the screen, there you are. Can you see it glowing up? There's a white Santa hat. Who saw the white Santa hat? Who saw the white Santa hat? There you go. The white Santa hat is there for you. Anyway, back to the trading screen. I wondered if anybody would spot it today. Put Santa hat on, Martin. I will, but not yet. It's a bit early. You know all that stuff's coming, right? That stuff's all coming. Put Santa hat on, Julius Caesar says. Floor lights. Oh look, I haven't put my lights on. I haven't put my lights on. Look, I forgot my lights. Look, put my lights on. There you go. That's better, isn't it? Is that better? I can't believe I forgot my little lights. Very, very important to put your lights on. Especially when you're driving in the dark. Very, very important. All right, as you can see now, the portfolio is rising up. Of course, we're coming to the weekend. We're going to get the usual sell-offs. Not December yet. No, it's not. It's not. You're absolutely right. Tesla just dropping back slightly in the after hours. Rivian moving up slightly in the after hours. Is that good or bad? Is it good? Well, for me right now, I've got 14 shares. I only really want to buy maybe 1 to 6 more, maybe 20 at tops. So for me right now, doesn't really matter. Now I'd like to see it pump up to $1,000 a share, to be perfectly honest. Virgin Galactic just moving up slightly. That's good. Gores Guggenheim trading sideways. How did Rocket Labs go today? Did we have a look at Rocket Labs? Didn't they have their test flight today? Rocket Labs, how did we do? Been flat all day, just lifting up a bit now in the last few minutes. So I'm up 0.18%. All right. I've only got 15 shares of it. It's very small, but I'll take it. I'll take it. That's fine. But I'm glad that we're finally making some progress. Okay, let's get the scores, please. Let's find out where everybody did. I've had an awful day. I'm going to lose the competition today. I am down 2.18. Who wins? Tell me your scores, please. How did you do? We've got 25 minutes left of the show. And I want to know how everybody did. I'm down 2.17. They are buying back prog shares. They are buying back prog shares. What is that, Queen of Self-Braiding? Explain what you mean by that. Martin Redding is down 1.17. MTTR did good all day. Good for you. I know Balassur's into that. I don't quite get it yet. I'm not into it yet. I might at some point. Anyway, anybody beat Martin is down 1.17. Anybody beat that? That beats me. So congratulations to you. Bad. Balassur's had a bad day. Yeah. Yeah. Muzanella, one of our biggest traders, said to me earlier he's been bleeding all day. He texted me. In fact, talking about texts, I got a message from one of you today. I think from Balasur, sent me a message. I got this information from Bill. Rocket Labs orders backlog tops 441 million as the company inks 5 launch deal with Kinice. I think that's right. I think I've pronounced that right. Let me just share that with you. That's what we found out today. Some information from Rocket Labs. Thank you very much, Bill, for sending us that. And I also got another message. I wanted to share it with you. You know, we were all talking this morning about my ego. I don't mean my ego of my personality. I mean the ego battery lawnmowers and all that great stuff. And I'm really, really into it. It can save you a lot of money and maintenance, and it's good for the environment. It's quieter, it's more powerful. It's an electric version of your lawnmower. Much, it's like an EV. We're all buying EVs. We now have electric lawnmowers, which is brilliant. This is Balassur's. Look, Balasur sent me this morning. Look at this. I like the fact. Look at his planes. Look, he's got his planes there. Look, there's his ego. See, look, there's his ego thing there for cutting the grass. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely love it. That's more powerful than a gas one. And the great thing about it is it's a lot less maintenance. Saves him a lot of money. Clean, quiet. Absolutely awesome. Thank you for sending that in as well. Thank you for sending that in. Really do appreciate it very much indeed. And that's absolutely great. Thank you so much indeed for sending that in. Bill just sent me something else. I'm going to save that, Bill. I'm going to save that as we get near Christmas. All right? That's a brilliant picture. Absolutely brilliant, but I'm going to save that. I want to save that for the Christmas shows. All right? That's brilliant. That's brilliant. Got a great picture from Bill. Christmas. Brilliant. All right. So Rivian just trading sideways at the moment. Yeah, for those of you who don't know what we're talking about this here. This is in my Amazon shop. This is what powers my studio right now. This Ego battery with these batteries here. The whole thing is solar powered, and it runs off a battery. So there you go. It's very, very efficient. Very, very efficient. And this is the shop where you can enter Amazon. And if you do, not only can you see the products that I recommend, but also you can get the 50% of the commission that I get given back to you. I'm basically now a cashback service for Amazon. All right. So if you use that link to go to Amazon to buy anything, I will give you 50% back of the commission that I get. And I will share with you on the screen so you can see what I've got. So I won't make it up. I won't go, oh yeah, mate, I only got $1, so I'm giving you 50 cents, and actually I got $50. I'm not going to do that. When you buy something on Amazon using that link, I am now a cashback service for you. Whatever commission I get, I will split with you 50%, and I will share on the screen what I've got so you can see how much I got, and I will give it you. I will PayPal you or Zelle you 50%. So there you go. That's this channel is about supporting each other and making money for everybody, right? So I'm now providing that service as well. Brilliant. Balasser says, I love it. Yes, it's cool. Really, really good. Peter Brazier's here. Welcome, Peter. Did you get my little link earlier? Did you want some free money from Amazon? Use my bookmark my Amazon shop as your entry to Amazon. Every commission, every time I get a commission, it doesn't cost you anything, but whatever commission I get, I will give you 50% back, and I will share with you on the screen what I've got so you know it's real. I've not started trading yet, so I'm a 0% loss. Okay, so who's the winner? We didn't get everyone's scores. I am Martin Redding. Oh, down 0.93. That's Bill. That's Bill's score. Has anybody beat 0.93? Right on the score. Jay Grunt has not started trading yet. Jay Grunt has got my eToro link, so he's going to get $10 from me, cash in his pocket. Anybody who sets up an eToro account with my referral, I will give you $10. That's some of the money they give to me, I will give to you. There you go. Right, let's watch Rivian. Let's see if we can pick up a bargain. Right, okay, Rivian taking a little turn. I will pick up some more, but not yet. It's gone down 1% in the after hours. I'm looking for a drop of now 5 to 10%. Eagle's a 5-year warranty on equipment and 3-year. I know it's brilliant, isn't it? And you've got no maintenance. And tomorrow you'll hear it when the lawn crew turn up. The noise outside here. It's like, why in America do people use tanks? Literally tanks. You can smell the smoke in the air, the pollution. You can hit the bloody noise is horrendous. And all we're cutting is little blades of grass. I was like, the first person who starts an electric lawnmower company where I live in Dallas is going to make a fortune because they're cheaper, quieter, more powerful, no pollution. It's just basically everything you know about EV cars, right? And it'd be great. People can have their grass cut in silence rather than this flipping noise. Drives me bonkers. Right, 1.6. It's not cheap enough for me yet. Is this the first time you have done trading? No, I've traded before. I've traded before on Barclays Bank in England. The trouble is then I grew a portfolio. I was doing all right. I never lost any money. I did all right, but I never made any money because every time I traded, I had to pay them £5. So that's why I stopped doing it and restarted on Robinhood, which is brilliant because it's free. I mean, I'm trading. I do what, maybe 10, 20 trades a day now for free. Electric lawnmowers have been out for 60 years. Not like they are now. Oh, yeah. Electric lawnmowers have, yeah. Of course they have. Battery electric lawnmowers I'm talking about. Not electric lawnmowers. Electric lawnmowers, the hover thing and all that stuff. Yeah, the red hover thing. Flymo, that's it. In England, everyone had a Flymo back in the 80s. Yeah. But that's just plug-in. This is now battery electric. Battery electric. This is the battery here, Martin, look. This is the battery here, look, the Ego battery. That's what we're talking about. There, look. That's what we're talking about. Yeah, we're talking about electric battery-operated lawnmowers, because now they're a lot more powerful because of the batteries and so on and so forth. But there you go. Anyway, we got 15 minutes left to go. So it looks like I am down 2.16. You're right with me, Dr. Smith. If you look at my yeah, I'm down 2.43. Bloody awful. So the winner, I'm really proud to say, this is really nice. Guess who won today, everybody? Guess who won? Bill, our war veteran from Canada. Everyone give him a congratulations. Thank you very much, Bill, for sharing. Let's congratulate Bill. There we go. Bill is the winner today. Absolutely great. Absolutely fantastic. Well done to you. And stupid question, are you based in the UK? My home is in the UK. I'm from Cornwall, but my studio is here in Texas. That's complicated, isn't it? So there you go. Congratulations to you, Bill. Everybody loves it. There you go. All the love coming in from everybody. Superb. Superb. There you go. Good. Go, Bill. There you go. He joined, right? He started trading when he started joining my show at the very beginning. He's one of the founder members to the channel. And we got breaking news, if you just joined us, that I am 4,000 on the list out of millions, right at the top of the list for Robinhood. And the wallets are now in alpha stage, they call it. It means they are sending out to the first few people, so it'll probably be me. And this is the tweet that came out from Christine Hall Brown. The Wallets Alpha program has begun. As you know, crypto wallets is the #1 request from our customers. Building wallets at this scale requires lots of safety and user experience considerations to protect and delight our customers. So there you go. That's now being rolled out to the first few people. So I'll probably be one of the first to get that. And I'm looking forward to sharing my experiences with you all. I've no idea how I ended up being right at the top of the list. But I'll take it. Is anybody higher up? Is anybody on Robinhood that's higher up than 4,000? Because it's at about 20 million, isn't it? Or something like that. Billy is a top man. Yes, he is. At Home Depot. Here we go. Let's have a look here. Hang on. Let me just change the screen a minute. Make it clearer. There we go. At Home Depot, Ryobi, 140 volt brushless cordless walk behind self-propelled lawnmower. There you go. The 6 battery and charger. There you go. There you go. But the ego ones I think are the best ones. I think. Because what I like about the ego ones, not only are they the most powerful ones, but also they have all these removable batteries, which I love because you can move them around. So if you've got the main power station, which is what I've got in here, which powers the whole studio, there's 4 batteries plugged into it. I can take one of those batteries out and go outside and do the lawn and cut the grass. Then I can take another battery out and do the trimming the bushes or using a blower or whatever I want. So it's kind of cool. When you buy an ego, you kind of buy a whole load of stuff. Yeah, and that's it. That's the ego there. That's one. Right on my shop. All right. And remember, everything that you buy after you've used my link, I get a small commission, which doesn't cost you anything, and I will give you 50% of it back. And I will share with you what I've got, so you know that the amount of money I get is being given to you correctly. So there's my shop. If you want to bookmark my shop as your entry to Amazon to buy stuff for Christmas or any time. And I'm only giving money back to my YouTube followers, whether it's Martyn Lucas or Day Trader. If anyone copies that link from Facebook or whatever, I'll earn a commission, but I won't be giving them any money back. Only you guys get that. Virgin Galactic is now moving up. GGPI is Gores Guggenheim. Interesting to see what Muznella thinks of this. Lucid, I thought it was going to go up and then it dropped back again. Robinhood still dropping down. I wouldn't imagine that many Robinhood users have heard about the news yet. So I would imagine that news isn't out yet. Right. Awesome. Okay, looking at on. Okay. Rev, it's just no action after hours. Oh, yes, it is. What am I talking about? Sorry, beg your pardon. It's dropped 5% after hours. So it's really, really falling now. Sono is really, really falling. I'm not surprised. I hope if you made some money on that, you got out of that. Yeah, look at that. It's going to continue to fall from an all ridiculous high. Classic IPO stuff, that. CW, whereabouts in Cornwall? Lovely. Truro in Cornwall. It's CW, lovely to have you here. You look familiar. Have we seen CW before? Welcome, CW. If you're new to the party, I think I've seen you. Subscribe, ring the bell, and smash the like button. We've got 16 likes. Can we get to 20 likes, guys? Because we now average 20 a show. We now average 20 a show. We've got 8 minutes to go. Let's make sure we hit the average today. A Brit in Uganda. In Uganda. Lovely stuff. Lovely to have you here. We're watching to see if we can get an opportunity for Rivian to buy any cheaper. But as I say, it's only down 0.79 in the after hours. It's really got to drop. It's really got to drop now. Got to go. See you later. Martin Redding. Thank you very much indeed, Martin, for being here. Thank you for being here on 2 channels. I really appreciate that. You guys are the best. And we're very, very close now. We're at seven more days away from probably being a professional, fully monetized channel, which will be a near record for YouTube. We've done that in 3 months, because remember, we took October off. Even though we're 4 months old, we took the whole of October off. So that's phenomenal growth. And if you want to help me get there a little bit quicker, when the show finishes, rewind the video, turn the volume down, mute me if you like, but let it run in the background. Let's get those hours up. And then what I earn, which will be about $1 a day, I will invest in my portfolio. Is SEV around 25? If SEV is around 25 in the morning, I might try to bite the apple again. Yeah, absolutely. I'll be right with you. Yeah, I might do that as well. It is weird to add you as a friend on. It is weird to add you as a friend on Facebook. Why is it weird? Why is it weird, Jay? Hello from Germany, Sabine. Hello, Sabine. Hello, thoughts on IoTech shift in focus to... I don't know anything about that, I'm afraid, but some of my team might know. We're actually in YouTube right now. You can't see anything on TikTok. Click the... If you're a serious trader, if you're just scrolling through looking for naked ladies, forget it. But if you actually want to talk to traders and make some real money, I even give you free money. I actually give you cash as well. That's what I do. Then you have to be in YouTube. Come into the icon. Come into the YouTube link here. Click on the icon. Click on the profile on my TikTok page and come onto YouTube. And if you're part of my family, I literally give away free money. All right? So you can make money even just by watching my show. I share with you everything that I get. Is it weird to add... Is it weird? No. Is it? No, of course it's not. Jay, if you want to add me as a friend on Facebook, carry on. You're very, very welcome. Add me as a friend on Facebook. I got 5,000 friends. I got about 4,998 or something. Like it's always at the maximum all the time. So we've got 5 minutes left. I'm right with you on Sev. I like the idea, but it's ridiculously overpriced right now. Robinhood is continuing to fall, down 8% now. I don't know if I want to buy any more of that. It's got to earn its money. It's got to get up there. Let's have a look. Overall, I'm starting to rise up in this last. Oh, there we go. That's nice. In the last hour, I wonder if that's Bitcoin. I wonder if Bitcoin's doing that. Or Ethereum. This is my Bitcoin position. Let's have a look at it. No, it's not. It's 57, 58. It's had a bad day as well. Down 3% today. You might want to buy some cheap Bitcoin, by the way. We've gone back in time here. Look at Ethereum as well. Down 4%. Opportunity to buy some there, perhaps. Blink charging. This is the chart for Blink, and this is the chart. We'll go through some of the charts. The SEV, as you can see, just constant selling. Hardly any buying at all. Hardly any buying. This is Apple's chart. Great day today. We had a huge pump around here, around 11:25 this morning. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Here is John Brunette just coming to the house. What a friggin' day. Yes. But it's fine if you just stay calm. We just announced that Robinhood are now trialing out the wallets. I see you do scuba, even been to Fuerteventura. Ever been to Fuerteventura? No, I haven't. But I have dived all around the world, but not there. Jay, there we go. So we got the Robinhood wallets coming out now. Very exciting. They're testing them now, and they'll probably be testing them with me because I'm one of the first. It says one of the first. They'll be testing it with a few people first, and the reason why I say with me because I'm one of the first to be registered. Look, if you see here, I'm 4,000 out of whatever it is, 20 million people that use Robinhood. It's he's been in his bathtub. You can always rely on. You can always rely on rely on John Brunette for some comedy. There you go. This is the portfolio live right now. As you can see, we're just picking up. I wonder where the upswing's coming from. It's not coming from Tesla. Let's have a look. What's making us money right now? What's growing right now? Rivian is just trading sideways. All right, we've got 2 minutes to go. We know who won today. Bill won the show today. Congratulations, Bill. I'm so proud of you, mate. Oh, great. The crowd's all here. We've got 20 likes now. I'm going to say now that the new average is moved up from 15 to 20. All right, 20 likes now is the average for the show. It didn't come from Virgin. It didn't come. Lucid's moved up a little bit in the last hour or so, isn't it? Maybe it was that. Amazon's having an almighty day. I don't remember a day like this for Amazon. Remember, 4% doesn't sound a lot, but it is when the share is $3,696. It's a heck of a lot. It's $147. I'm up today on Amazon. That never happens. Learn to dive in Koh Samui, Thailand. It was an amazing experience. Yes, indeed. I bet it was. As the world piano man, I've actually visited 195 countries. So I've been all over the world and had a wonderful time. Thanks for smashing the like button. We just got 21. Thank you very much indeed. And subscribing and ringing the bell. Wonderful stuff. Thank you very much. Duan Huang. Any experience of squeezing a short? No, I haven't. And I haven't got any experience from that? Does anybody else like to share their experiences? Me, I haven't yet done that. Right, we're very much now, volume is going out of the market as we'd expect. If you go through the stocks, look, things are just trading sideways, not a lot going on. If we look at SEV, dropping 6% on the after hours now. You might want to get some some Sono, maybe. I mean, what do you think? We are now just about, look, we're now just about the price of where it initially pumped. I mostly have experiencing losing money. Evgo trading sideways. I'm down 12% on that one. Blink, I'm down 10% on that one. There we go. All right, it's time to wrap up the show. Thanks ever so much, everyone, for being here. Going to be back in half an hour on my music platform. All right, so if you want to come and join me for some music, here is the music channel. Come and join me if you fancy joining me. And the upcoming live streams is right here. That's where I will be in 30 minutes from now, 29 minutes in fact. So come and join me if you'd like to be part of that. Love to have you with me live on the music show in just half an hour from now. So it's on the homepage of the Day Trader. You can see it very, very easily, and you can check it out if you fancy that. Later all right, guys, I'll see you back in the morning, of course, for the opening bell once again. And I'm really quite excited now because tomorrow's Friday, sell-off day, of course, and Rivian is now dropping back. Will it drop any more throughout the next hour and a half? I will grab some more if it drops 5 to 10%, and then we'll see where we go from there. And of course, we should get some feedback when everybody sees about the Robinhood breaking news as well. That'll probably break soon. And I'm going to break the news. I'm going to do a video right now before my main show on the music show and on Robinhood. So I'll see you all back in the morning. Take care of yourselves and each other.